Are you tired of being the only one who keeps your home organized while everyone else just adds to the clutter? Well, today I'm going to talk about 10 ways to get your family involved in decluttering. Hi, my name is Carole, and the name of my channel is Broke but Bountifully Blessed. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope that some of these ideas will help you to get your family more involved in your decluttering project. I don't live alone, but actually, he started decluttering before I did. But getting your family involved with decluttering can be challenging. But here are 10 practical tips to make it work.
Number 1, talk about it.
Now, on the internet, it says to start by having an honest conversation about decluttering with your family. But I think you should really watch this video in full before having that conversation because it may make a difference in what you have to say. Share your vision for having a more organized space and listen to everyone else's concerns or hesitation.
2, work together.
Make it a team effort. Don't assign blame. Frame it as our space, not yours. And let everyone know that together you can make a difference. Avoid accusations about who made the mess. You all made it.
3, set goals.
Set realistic goals and break the project up into more manageable chunks. Tackle one area at a time as a family, and it'll feel less overwhelming than trying to declutter the whole house at once.
Each does theirs.
Let each member of the family take responsibility for their own things. People are more invested when they're making their own decisions, rather than having someone dictate how they do things.
5, the 3 boxes.
It seems like every decluttering campaign starts with 3 boxes. One to donate, one to toss, and one to keep. And some include a 4th box for things that you're not sure of, or things that need more thought. This is especially helpful if you have ADHD.
6, make it fun.
Make it fun by adding music and dancing. Set timers for a quick decluttering sprint and turn it into a friendly competition to see who can fill a bag for donation the fastest.
7, schedule.
Schedule regular decluttering sessions rather than expecting it to happen all at once. A monthly or seasonal cleanup becomes a routine rather than a dreaded event.
8, share a treat.
Celebrate progress together, even the small wins. Order takeout after finishing a room, or put a cake in the oven and have everybody declutter while it's baking. Or do something fun as a family once you've finished a decluttering marathon, once you've met a decluttering goal.
9, show them how.
Lead by example with your own belongings. Your family is more likely to participate if they see you willingly let go of some of your items.
Number 10, be patient.
Be patient and recognize that everyone has their own different attachments to their possessions. Some family members may need more time to let their possessions go. If somebody wants something, ask them what they can let go. If they have a lot of clutter, you might expect everyone to let go of 2 things for a month or 2, each time they want something new. What's your biggest challenge when trying to get your family involved in decluttering? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.